Tasks in Hugo are connected to meetings in your calendar, helping you keep track of everything that needs to get done. Note, for this video, we're talking about tasks that come with Hugo out of the box, not our app integrations with CRMs or project tools that also have tasks. To create a task, edit a meeting doc and type directly where it says Add a Task on the right-hand side. You can also select some text in your note. You'll see your selection there, but you need to click to create a task with that text as the description. You can then optionally assign the task and add a due date. Tasks are different in Hugo than many other tools because you can assign them to more than one person or even a group. If your task is something everyone at your meeting needs to do, like fill in part of the agenda before the meeting starts, attendees in my Hugo team assigns the task only to people at your company who use Hugo. Another way tasks are different in Hugo is that you can assign them to anyone at your meeting. You don't need to ask customers or coworkers to sign up for Hugo just to track an action item they are responsible for. To see all your tasks at once, click Tasks in the left sidebar. You can group by meeting or due date and filter for tasks that are assigned to you or assigned by you. And to configure notifications about your tasks, click on your team name in the upper left and select Account Settings. In the Notifications panel, you'll find options to get task notifications in Slack or via email, and choose when to receive task due reminders. If you use an app integration with a project app like Jira, Asana, or Trello, should you even use tasks in Hugo? Honestly, a lot of action items in meetings aren't appropriate for project tools. If you have a big project to do, sure, add it to Asana, but for smaller action items or little tasks that you always review in a meeting, you'll find Hugo Tasks are a faster, simpler solution.